Are you looking for the best FPV drones? In this video we will look at some of the best FPV drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI FPV Combo. Its mix of advanced features and ease of use make it the best pick for those who don't mind spending some money up front. The first thing some drone races look for when buying a racing drone is its top speed. And this model clearly stands out among FPV drones as it can fly as fast as 87 miles per hour. But the DJI FPV stands out in other ways, too. For instance, take the price. This new kit from DJI provides everything you need to start flying in truly FPV fashion. In addition to the drone, you also get the DJI FPV goggles V2, which are comfortable to wear and use, a remote control and the new motion controller, and more. That offers you a lot of value for the money. In addition, it can fly in 3 different flight modes, depending on your skill level, and also comes with a number of useful safety features, including the emergency, brake and hover mode. Simply press a button on the controller. The drone will stop and hover stably within a few seconds. The imaging and video specs are also quite good. You can shoot video with 4K resolution at 60 fps or 1080 resolution at 120 fps, which can be useful for slow motion video at a very wide 150 degrees field of view. You can also shoot 12 megapixel resolution photos. Plus, the DUN system includes collision technology to prevent it from crashing. Overall, this DJI Combo kit provides a powerful immersive experience. Number 2. BetaFPV Cetus Pro. This is a great model to learn the basics of flying an FPV drone. Although this model is meant for beginners, it includes all the necessary elements for learning how to use an FPV drone. The Cetus Pro FPV kit includes the brushless quadcopter and a light radio 2 SE transmitter and VR02 FPV goggles. It's lightweight but sturdy, and it also has an emergency battery and low battery feature to avoid crashing the drone. Plus, there's an altitude hold function, which lets that drone auto-hover. It even has a turtle mode. If the FPV drone has fallen to the ground and is now upside down, you can activate the turtle mode via the light radio 2 SE transmitter, and it will flip the Cetus Pro FPV back over to allow you to resume flying. Comes with 3 flight modes and flies at 3 different speeds. One downside is that included VR02 FPV goggles do not support video record function. However, if you want to pay more, you can buy the VR03 FPV goggles, which do support video record function. Both the resolution for VR02 and VR03 FPV goggles are 480p. Number 3. DEERC D20 Mini Drone for Kids. A very inexpensive and fun FPV drone. If you're looking for an inexpensive drone for an older child or teenager, consider this model. This mini drone comes with some useful features to help kids learn how to fly drones. It can auto-hover with its altitude hold system, and it's easy to use with its one-key start/stop function. It also comes with 3 speed modes. However, some of the imaging features aren't incredibly robust. Nevertheless, your kids might find them fun to play with. For instance, the onboard camera, which connects wirelessly to your smartphone and is where you see the streaming video, has only 720p HD video resolution. The photos are only 1280 x 720 resolution images, which is barely a 1 megapixel photo. But what is fun is that you can take photos and video clips via gesture control. If you make a victory or V sign with your fingers, the drone will capture a photo or video. It also has voice control. You can say takeoff or landing, and the drone will respond accordingly. Number 4. DJI Avator. When you're looking for a FPV drone that will take better quality videos and photos, an important question you'll need to answer before you buy an FPV drone is, what are you buying a drone for? If it's to buy the fastest consumer FPV drone, then you'll want to buy the DJI FPV drone. The Avator's top speed is 60 miles per hour, which is fast but not quite as fast as the DJI FPV, which can fly up to 87 miles per hour. But if you're looking to buy a drone that shoots much better video quality as well as photo quality, then the DJI Avator is the model you'll want to consider. The Avator comes with a large, 48-megapixel 1/1.7-inch sensor, which is one of the reasons you get better quality photos and video. The lens has an f/2.8 aperture and shoots with a wide 155-degree field of view. The Avator also captures 4K video at up to 60 fps or 2.7K video at up to 120 fps if you want slow-motion video. Number 5. Ryze Tello. For an easy-to-use, inexpensive FPV drone that's less than $100 for those on a budget, this model might fit the bill. It's powered with technology by DJI, so it's still pretty full-featured for such a low-priced drone. However, it doesn't come with a controller, which is one reason it's so inexpensive. But you can connect it to your phone using the mobile app or a supported Bluetooth remote controller connected to the mobile app. It's also compatible with VR headsets. Also, if you're interested in learning how to code, or if you'd like to have your kids learn how to code, this drone can be programmed using Scratch, MIT's coding system for kids to learn on. However, it would be nice if it had slightly high video and still photo resolution.